Have you ever heard of XRP? What about Ripple? In a sense, those two things are one and the same. Have you been wondering if investing in XRP will be a great addition to your portfolio? Has the fear of missing out been eating you up inside? Well, in this video, we explain in detail what XRP is and if it's a great investment. Stay tuned for all the juicy details. To fully understand what XRP is, we're going to have to study classical cryptocurrency for a short while. After all, many altcoins arose as a result to correct the imperfections that Bitcoin had. So, Bitcoin was one of the first ever cryptocurrencies ever released. Since it was introduced to the world in 2008, it is still incredibly dominant 14 years later. Today, its market cap at $800 billion is still larger than the top next four cryptocurrencies combined. Even though it has wavered now and then, it's still very much on the rise with a price of about $40,000 per token. As terrific as Bitcoin is, it has several problems. It's really environmentally harmful, does not take full advantage of the potential of blockchain technology, and is not easy for financial institutions like banks to use. Ripple arose as a means to solve most of these problems, but particularly the last one. In a matter of moments, we're going to reveal the sheer utility of Ripple and XRP. Stay tuned for more. Before we proceed with this video on what XRP is and if it's a good investment, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. This way, you'll never miss out on any of our awesome and engaging content on the metaverse and on crypto. So Ripple is a company that arose to help banks work with crypto easier. After all, try as the biggest crypto enthusiasts may, they can't completely divorce the crypto scene from traditional financial institutions. Most regulatory authorities, such as the US government and the World Bank, are still struggling to accept crypto. And so, Ripple exists to make sure crypto investors can still use their traditional currency like dollars and pounds without any problems. It sure would be funny if you had 100 Bitcoin tokens but couldn't buy your dream house or car simply because the bank didn't accept crypto. With Ripple, that need not be a problem. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how the XRP token fits into the Ripple equation. After all, Ripple is a service and not a cryptocurrency. Well, XRP is the proprietary cryptocurrency of Ripple. You see, if Ripple didn't have its own cryptocurrency, then it would be pretty difficult for it to be used by both banks and investors. With XRP as an intermediary, investors and banks can very easily interchange between fiat currencies like the dollar, pound, or yen and crypto, tokens like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. If cryptocurrencies are ice and fiat currencies are vapor, think of XRP as liquid water. You can't change from ice to vapor or vapor to ice without getting liquid water first. So now, the question remains, is XRP a great investment? Well, the answer is a little complicated. XRP is valuable because it has amazing utility. Because of the problem it solves for both banks and crypto investors, it's going to have a high degree of patronage and will enjoy a rapid growth rate. On the other hand, regulatory authorities are still hard on Ripple's neck, causing some investors to get cold feet. If you're an astute investor, you know it's always a great idea to buy the dip. And so, this turbulence may in fact be an opportunity. Well, that's that. We hope this video on what XRP is and if it's a good investment will be of immense use to you. These days, you really have the option to widen your crypto portfolio if you want to. Make sure you choose the right tokens to invest in like XRP. Will you be investing in XRP? Leave a thumbs up if you will. While in any case, make sure you check out our other videos on the top 7 exchange platforms to buy XRP or Ripple tokens and what you need to know about the SEC XRP lawsuit saga. These videos will make sure you become an expert in Ripple, one of the fastest growing digital currencies in no time. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share. This way, you support the channel and help us keep coming at you with the most informative and engaging content. Well, that's all for now. Enjoy the rest of the day. We'll catch you later.